Siege continues after small siege.
Grenade? Really? Now we're busting out explosives.
Okay, well, you know. Oh, we got out.
Wait a minute, let me take that out.
You're out. Oh,
Okay.
hell.
Let's go! I've never seen that.
You might want to get in the same position.
Waving a flag of truce. Gonna crush himself with the waters. God. Hey!
Oh, man.
Oh, he's out.
Out of ammo.
Bravo! Jesse,
Yes,
I hate to inform you, but you scream like a girl.
Yes, I know.
You know? Is this a part of your, war You know, if you're going to claim Scotland, please get a war cry that's decent.
I don't have a screen.
Okay. Oh, I get it. The Fairy Brigade!
I got a load.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 13, 14, 15, 16. That was all unloaded in one corner.
Look under the washer. There's one at the corner.
The white one.
There's another one. It was wrapped in a shirt.
That's 17. Can you go in here?
I don't have anything to do.
Oh, I gotta